Hi guys, welcome to Digital Pro. In this video, I show you how to set up your STSIM plugin. So let's get started. First, we install your STSIM plugin. If you installed previously, then skip this step. So go to plugins, click on add new and search for Yoast SEO. This is Yoast SEO plugin. So click on install now and then click on activate. Now Yoast SEO plugin is successfully installed. Now we configure the Yoast SEO plugin. If you hover in here, you can check this option configure wizard. You can click this. If this option not available here, just go to Yoast SEO, click on general. You can see the configuration wizard. So click on that. Now we configure Yoast SEO plugin. Okay. The first option is environment. Here is option A, my site is live to ready to index, or B is under construction. If your website is totally ready, then click on option A. If it's not ready yet, then click on option B. Okay. So now I click on option A because my website is ready. So click on next. The next setup is site type. Which type your website? My type is a blog. If your website is an online shop or news channel or small offline business, then you can choose from this. Okay. So my website is a blog. So I click on a blog and click next. The next step is organization or person. Here you can give your website information. Okay. So if it is a organization, then click on organization. If a person, then click on person. Because this website is my personal, so I click on person. And the next thing is the name of the person. Okay. So here input your name here. So my name is Vidhan, so I put this and click on next. If your website is organization, then click on organization. Next, the name of organization. Here you can enter your organization name or your website name. And next, choose an image. Here you give your organization logo. And here you can give your website social media accounts pages URL. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, which one you have, just put it here. Okay. So my is a person, so I click on person, choose the name, click on next. The next thing is search engine visibility. Here has two options. One, search engine should show post in search results and search engine should show pages in search results. These two options, if yes, then your post and pages show on search result. If you click no, then it's not indexed and not shown in search results. So it's always click on yes because we need to show our post and pages on search results. So now click on next. The next option is multiple authors. If your website has multiple authors, then check the yes box. If you are only one person, then leave it as a no. So I am a single person, then I leave it as no. The next part is title settings. First, here give your website name and next is title separator. Here you can choose any symbol for your title separator. So I choose this and click on next. The next option is help us improve your SEO. I know you share your all information in lots of plugins and tools. So we choose here no, because we don't want to share our information to Yoast SEO. So click on next. The next option is continue learning. If you want Yoast SEO course, then give your email address here and sign up. I don't need this, so click on next. Finally, the Yoast SEO configuration wizard is successfully done. So now close it. Now we verify the Webmaster Tools. So now click on Webmaster Tools, and here you can see Google verification code. So click on Google Search Console. Here is lots of options to verify your Webmaster tool. So I choose HTML file upload. It's easy and simple. So now click on download the HTML verification code. So click on that. The verification code is successfully downloaded. Click on this. This is my Google verification code. So copy this code. Not the .html, okay? So copy this code only. Now go to Google verification code option, paste the code and save changes. Again go to Webmaster Tools Central and click on I am not robot if you get this option and click verify. Now the Webmaster tool verification is successfully done. Now we set up sitemap on Search Console. Just go to features, scroll down, here is the option XML sitemap, click on question mark, and here is the option see the XML sitemap. Just click on it. This is my website XML sitemap. Now we set up XML sitemap on Google Search Console. Just go to SiteKit, click on dashboard, scroll down, here is the Search Console, click on this. This is our Google Search Console. Click on sitemap and go to XML sitemap. This is the XML sitemap. Copy this URL sitemap.index.xml and paste it here and click submit. So the sitemap is successfully submitted. So we successfully set up Yoast SEO plugin and index our website on Google. In next video, I show you how to set up Astro theme. So stay tuned for that and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you.